Hi, welcome to Rear-Facing Toddlers. This is the new car seat from Axkid called the One. Axkid claim on their website that this car seat can be installed in less than 30 seconds, so I thought I'd make a little video just to see if that's true. I've got my timer ready, so I'm going to press start and we'll see how long it takes me to install this seat. Here we go. The first thing you do is lower the support leg, then turn the seat into position, lift up the rebound bar, click the ISOfix into the car, let the bar ratchet back down and twist the knob till it clicks, then lower the support leg, lock that into place, and then attach the side impact block. And that took just under 21 seconds. Not bad. There are 6 installation steps altogether, and the first thing you need to do is lower the support leg, which is folded up when the seat comes out of the box. That simply folds down until you can hear a click and you can see that the indicator has turned green. And then the next step is number 2, which is lifting up the rebound bar, and you do that by sliding this little lever with your thumb towards you and then just lifting up the bar. And the third step is to click the ISOfix arms into place. So you still have to hold on to the rebound bar, and then you just click your car seat into the car's ISOfix points, and the indicators on the ISOfix buttons will have turned green. And next it's step 4. You have to release the rebound bar, which will ratchet into place, give it a bit of a push, and then turn the knob as far as it will go until you hear a loud click. And step 5 is to lower the support leg down to the floor, and you do that by pressing this button here at the top of the leg, sliding it down until it touches the floor, and then you need to push the frame up slightly until it clicks into place. And the final step is number 6, which is the side impact protection block. There are 4 little knobs on here and 4 little holes in the side there. Line those up and click it into place. And that's it. And my hair's a mess. So there it is, the Axkid One installed in less than 30 seconds. Thanks for watching.